Hey guys, it's Kevin from Canadian Hobby Guys here, doing a detailed strip of a Kimber 1911 Pro Carry 2. Okay, so right there, put the camera down. Okay, so I've searched and searched for videos when I picked up this guy, and people just had the basic field strip. Nobody had the in-depth pull. So just to show, she's clear. Drop the mag all the way through. She is clear. Okay. Now, I've seen other videos when they do the field strips that you guys pretty much know what you're doing. Some people got these kits and they had like specific tools. I picked up mine used, so I didn't get any of these specific tools. So what I've had to do is make my own, so to speak, to get it done. So basically the tools that I'm going to use today is basically get that out of the way, is Allen tool, right? A Glock tool to just push through the pins that I need, and to get out the bull barrel I'm just using a standard bobby pin, and I'm putting that in to slide that through. So basically we'll start off with the slide. So when you have it in this position, I don't know if you guys can see it, not really great for lighting. So you got in this position, cock back, you'll see that there's a little hole right in there which is going to stop the barrel. So I go in there with my bobby pin, kind of push it down a little bit, and then I'm going to pull it off there, and you'll notice that the whole barrel now slides forward, the whole slide, right? So what we're going to do is then we need to pop our slide stop. So our slide stop's out of there. So we put that up there. And now our barrel, our slide comes completely off. So then we flip it upside down, and you'll notice, push that down a little bit. And there we go. Our spring and the barrel slides completely through. There. And now we have just the slide. So nice and easy to that point. That's pretty much where all the videos that I've seen have gone with these Kimbers. But this isn't good enough for me. I like a clean gun, so I've just gone to the range. I've just ran through 500 rounds. They're not factory loads, they're reloads, so it's a little bit dirty. Some of the rounds were hot, so now we're going to pull it completely apart. I'm going to do a detailed field strip. So we'll start off with the up here in the slide, and we'll get our hammer pin and our retainer pin out. So there's the back plate. Watch this little guy. He can fly if you're not careful. So put him up there, and then the same thing, everything right in here is held with this little nub right here. Don't know if you can see it. So we push that nub down, and our firing pin comes out. So pull that, and then push it down again, and our firing pin spring comes out. Now we need the extractor pin. So same thing, push it down, the extractor pin is just off to the side. Some ones will come out easier than others. For some reason this one doesn't like to come out easily for me. So, as you can see, hard with the light. So there's the extractor pin. We twist it and pull, and the extractor comes all the way out. Now our slide is completely stripped. Everything's out of there. So this is great. If you have a sonic cleaner, especially with a stainless steel gun, it's so much easier. You can just plunk all these pieces in your sonic cleaner, boom, gets all rid of everything, nice and clean, oil it up and put it back together. So there's the slide, slides out of the way. Now we're onto the frame. Now as you can see, she's pretty dirty. So we're going to start off with, I like to take the grips off. So one screw. Now watch with these Kimbers, they have a hand guard. I guess this is an extra piece just to for your grip. So it's like a checkered grip in the front, and it's just pure aluminum. So as you can see, once we take that off, you see that aluminum piece right here. I can feel that aluminum piece pop up. It's just held on the one side with the pressure, with the grip down, and then once that grip's pulled off, pull off the grip, and then a little aluminum checker piece. So we'll put that up to the side there. So now a little bit more stripped, still more than what I've seen with other ones, but you know, that's not good enough. I want to get in every nook and cranny and everything. So now on to my next parts. So first, I'm going to take off that back plate. So a little bit of pressure, going to kind of pull it away